Photovoltaic systems are sensitive. They can be damaged by hail, storm and faulty installation, or by improper access to such an extent that repair work becomes necessary. But did you know that the photovoltaic system can also be severely damaged just by walking on it? If photos have to be taken on the installation or maintenance or surveying work is to be carried out, the modules are often stepped on without protecting them properly first. Walking on the system without proper protection measures causes so-called microcracks, which severely restrict the electrical current and can even result in a complete failure of a module. The SMB SOLAR Multiboard allow all work to be carried out on an installation with frame modules without damaging them. The SMB SOLAR Multiboard is simply placed in the gap between two modules and provides for total freedom of movement on the whole installation. The patented SMB SOLAR Multiboards are available in 3 different sizes and provide for the execution of any kind of work on the photovoltaic system without damaging it. All of our products are tested by TÜV Rheinland and the Institute for Occupational Safety and Health. Do you have questions about our product? Don't hesitate to contact us. We look forward to hearing from you.